वेस्टर्न कोलफील्ड लिमिटेड 10 दिसंबर 2022। ठीक है, शिफ्ट 2 का पेपर है 12:30 से 2 बजे वाला। स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं हम यहाँ पर। क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज वन ऑफ द लेफ्ट फाइंडिंग ऑफ डेंगी हेमरेजिक फीवर। डेंगी हेमरेजिक फीवर अगर पेशेंट को है तो उसकी लेफ्ट फाइंडिंग्स क्या होगी? आपका राइट आंसर रहेगा थ्रोम्बोसाइटोपेनिया। थ्रोम्बोसाइटोपेनिया मतलब प्लेटलेट्स काउंट का ब्लड में डिक्रीज हो जाना। विच आर द फॉलोइंग हार्ट रेट इज कॉल्ड टेकिकार्डिया। टेकिकार्डिया किसे बोलेंगे? जब मोर देन 100 हो जाएगा। 1 ear is tested at one time and the untested ear is covered with palm of the hand and this test is known as whisper test। मतलब कि टेस्ट के टाइम पर एक कान को ढक देंगे अपने हाथ हथेली से और दूसरे कान को टेस्ट करेंगे एक समय पर, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? विस्पर टेस्ट। द करेक्ट आंसर है इसका। व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन्स बायोमोलिक्यूल्स। जो बायोमोलिक्यूल्स होते हैं प्रोटीन्स के, उसका जो फंक्शन होता है वो न्यू सेल्स को बिल्ड करती है फॉर ग्रोथ एंड रिन्यू करती है डैमेज टिश्यूज़ को। बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल यूज्ड इन एन ऑटोक्लेव इज अ स्पोर्स ऑफ बैसिलस स्टेरोथर्मोफाइलस। मेजर कॉज ऑफ न्यूनेटल मॉर्टेलिटी रेट इज प्री टर्म बर्थ। In operant conditioning, something is removed to increase the likelihood of a behavior is said as positive reinforcement. Social change refers to change in individual values. What is the causative organism of enteric fever? Salmonella typhi. Which malignant type of neoplasm are related to abnormal uncontrolled multiplication of white blood cells? Carcinoma. In spina bifida, disease condition, which body organs are affected? Spinal cord. Which is the anti-adult measure for mosquito control? Residual sprays. Which are the purpose of hot applications? To stimulate the circulation, to promote suppuration, to promote healing. Trophoblasts are the cell forming the outer layer of the blastocyst which provide nutrients to the embryo and develop into large part of the placenta. Culex Wucheria bancrofti are associated to which disease? Filaria. A drug that relieves the itching is it's called antipruritics. Identify the function of Central Council of Health and Family Welfare. To consider the recommended broad guideline for health policy. Figure out the micronutrients from the following is vitamin. Which is the correct which is correct general toxicity for antimetabolites chemotherapy is anorexia. Which of the following healthcare system is one of the following indigenous system of medicines is Ayurveda. Which of the following is not one of the national health program in India is कैल्शियम डेफिशिएंसी डिसऑर्डर प्रोग्राम जो है हमारे नेशनल हेल्थ प्रोग्राम ऑफ इंडिया में नहीं है। इन विच ऑफ द ईयर एमटीपी एक्ट आप समझते होंगे, मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन एक्ट जो है वो इनेक्टेड हुआ था बाय द इंडियन पार्लियामेंट इज 1971। विच आर द टाइप ऑफ आइसोलेशन? All of the above are type of isolation like respiratory isolation, wound and skin isolation, and trick isolation. Which muscle elevate the corner of mouth? Zygomaticus muscles. Fear of marriage is gamophobia. Gamophobia is a fear of marriage. What is a call to the relationship between drug concentration and its effect is pharmacodynamics. Which vaccine that can be kept at room temperature is TT. Which tissue layer of the heart wall is thick layer? Myocardium. Which among the following is one of the chronic side effect of external radiation therapy? Radiation pneumonitis. At 12 weeks of gestation, amniotic fluid measure about 50 ml. Which among the following is disease of pinna? पिन्ना जो है ईयर में प्रेजेंट होता है. विच इज़ वन ऑफ द कॉमन डिजीज ऑफ आउटर एंड मिडल ईयर? Chondrodermatitis nodularis. According to Freud, which component of personality operates according to the reality principles? Is ego. Full form of NIDDCP, National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program. In which unit nurse must be able to adapt to caring for a client with various type of medical surgical disorders and must be competent in health teaching and discharge planning, that is inpatient medical surgical unit. Which of the following genetic condition has below mentioned character features? Dwarfism with short limbs and normal size head and trunk. This is the achondroplasia. What should be the correct approach of staff nurse to anxiety reaction? One of the psychiatric emergencies. Help to develop insights. Identify the correct statement for severe sleep apnea, one of the sleep disorder in geriatric population. This is the third option. These patients may suffer memory loss and intellectual deterioration. The next is deal with extrasensory perception, cases of rebirth, telepathy, and allied problems. Right answer is second, development psychology. Next is which of the following is soluble vitamin? The right answer is ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Which of the following type of play therapy? Right answer is none of the above. What is the shape of Streptococcus lactis bacteria? That is ellipsoid. Ellipsoidal. Option number fourth. What is the nutritional class of Animalia according to the Whitaker Five Kingdom concept? Right answer is heterotrophic. Fogging is the method to kill the mosquito at which stage of its life cycle? This is adult. What indicates the number of death under 28 days of age per thousand live birth? That is neonatal mortality rate. Next is which of the following are established covering a population of 5,000? The right answer is second subcentral level. Which among the following mental and behavior disorder group include disorders characteristic by prominent disturbances of thought, perception, affect, and behavior? The right answer is schizophrenia, schizoidal, and delusional disorders. What is the example of Animalia microorganisms? Right answer is invertebrates. Next is Human Genome Project was completed in the year of 2003. That dash is the fracture in the young bone of children where the break is incomplete and leaving one cortex intact. The right answer is green stick injury. The next question help you tackle complex abstract challenges in your daily life, that is fluid intelligence.